back on YouTube after a good probably 5 years, and the funniest thing is, while I've been gone, I've been buying the most stuff, so it would have been a good idea to make videos then. But this is a bunch of tracksuits that I bought on the Nike sale. So good packaging. It says you help plant a tree. Let's just open this one up and see how it goes. Just a nice grey tracksuit, 2 ticks, swoosh, and these are the bottoms for that. Now the bigger one, I placed these orders separately because all the stuff in this box went on sale a day later, and when it went on sale, of course I had to buy a lot more stuff. And because of Corona, they've actually been delaying a lot of the deliveries, so it did take a long time for this stuff to arrive. Now I've got the one with the no zip. This is the zip version, so it's basically the same thing, but it's got a bit more detail on it. These are the joggers again, because why not? Just another pair of grey joggers that I've bought, and a black tracksuit. This is a full tracksuit. Open them up a little, let's see what they are. So this is one of the hoodies. This is the bottoms to go with that. So as you can see, for one full tracksuit. They've actually not sent me everything. I think they must have had stuff out of stock, so I have pieces missing, which I've just noticed. I'm literally making a mess all across my living room doing this. Another one, same as the black but in grey. No joggers for this, they haven't sent those. And then I'm not going to open these joggers, I'll just open the other ones. This is a very nice grey colour, and they're a bit different because they have 2 ticks instead of 1. They also have a bit of, oh, it's a sticker on the back and a Nike tick on the side, really. On the side here, and then one on the back. So I'm paying for Nike ticks basically. And this is one of the hoodies that can go with that tracksuit. What I've actually noticed is this is a sticker. I don't really like the sticker ones. I'd much rather it be embroidered like this has been embroidered. Cool little tracksuit. And this is the zip version, so you can wear either the zip one or the pullover one if you want. Making a mess. And this one I actually preferred because, as you can see, it's all embroidered, so you're really getting what you paid for, and it doesn't go bad in the wash. It's just really stitched in. The back also has a bunch of Nike ticks. There's also one on the cuff side, so again, you're paying for a lot of ticks. And that's really been this pickup. I've still got a lot more things coming, so that will probably be in a separate video. Because of Corona, they've been delaying the videos, plus I have so many unboxing videos coming through. Just like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's been an unboxing.